goodness. Hey guys. Welcome back to another week. If you're new here, hello. I'm Mia. This is Archie. Yeah, and we just do weekly vlogs here. So come along. Right now it's Tuesday morning. Yesterday I was hungover and yesterday didn't exist. So it's Tuesday morning. I've got work in a little bit. It's friggin' Melbourne Cup Day, which is like the most fun day of the year at work. But I only started at 11, so we have some time. It's like 6 now. Lachlan's just left for work. We just had some brekkie on the deck. And I've got so much to do because I didn't do anything yesterday. And for those who don't know, in 2 weeks we're actually moving from Brisbane to Perth. So, bit to do actually, believe it or not. Got a whole house to pack up, really. But it's fine. It's fine. We're just gonna do what we can every day. So this morning I'm gonna go for a W with Archman and then do some groceries and send some Depop orders. And that's the priority. That's the priority. End of groceries, I say that? Yeah. And then once I'm back, do some work around the house, pack up, do some tidying. Everything's messy because we've been selling all like the big bits of furniture. So then we just like lift everything that was in the furniture on the furniture and just like put on the floor. So if you look around anywhere, the house is fricked. It's not nice. But it's okay. It's progress. I guess. Got to start somewhere. A lot of rubbish. We have curbside next week too, so we're going to be putting a lot of stuff on the curb this week. The van is currently at the mechanic getting a few things tinkered with for a few days. Yeah, that's about it. We're dropping Lockie's car off on Friday, I think, to get trucked to Perth. But yeah, that's the go around here. Just chaos, stock standard. This week is like crunch time packing. Next week is crunch time cleaning. So yeah, at least the bed's nice and made behind me for once. I feel like it's nice. Oh, I also bought something off Depop, so I'm going to open that with you right now. There's a good angle. There's not really one. I can just go there. It feels kind of heavy for what I got. Oh, I was going to say, I did not buy this. And I will not wear that. But thanks, Chiggy. Anyway, this is what I bought. It's just like a little... Maybe I can wear this on the weekend. Should I try it on? I know you want me to try it on. I've got a sports bra on though. Just like a little boho-y aqua little top. I'll try it on, don't worry. It looks kind of cute with the white sports bra on, but hey. With like a little denim shorts. It's more cropped than I was hoping. Maybe that's okay. Hey guys, we're just on our little walk. Just scrolling through Seek, looking at some jobs, saving a couple to apply for when I get home. Grocery haul time. I know you want to see it. So this is week 3 of the cleanse, which means we're supposed to still be eating pretty strictly, but we don't have to do as many things. We have sort of not been sticking to the cleanse at all, but we're just trying to... I think this sort of grocery shop that I just did will be how I want to eat from here on out, sort of thing. Like, it's not cleanse friendly, but it's mostly organic stuff. So I'll just start with the boiling. I got 3 of these big waters and a kombucha, big kombucha. Just go over there. And then I got some straws. These weren't organic, but they're so cheap at the moment I had to get some. I got some dairy milk, like dairy organic vanilla yogurt. I got some bananas. These are organic, not cleanse friendly. Got some avos. Got a couple of little goat's cheese. Like, these goat's cheese aren't organic, but what can you do? I did get organic cheddar though. So I got some like green juice just because I drank like nothing yesterday, so I'm gonna just drink a heap of water today. Some milk, just my normal conditioner. Some carrots. I'm gonna have it send a photo to Lockie, so I've got to lay it out all nice. some carrots, and then meat. I got some burger patties, some sausages, some chicken strips, and some chicken like wings, which I think I want for dinner tonight. So we have all that stuff. And then I got some spinach and some lettuce. I really want to make some salads. I want to make some salads. I also got one of these to have now because I had like proper, we had eggs, but I'm so hungry. Got 2 mangoes, organic mangoes. Got some kiwi fruit because Lockie likes it. I'm not sure if he's going to eat fruit or not. I also got some organic peaches because we went to Mum and Dad's the other night and Mum made salad and had peach in it and it was so good. These capsicums are not organic. They didn't have any, but they looked really good, so I had to get them. Oh, these are though, so Lockie can eat them. And then just some coleslaw mixed with salad and some cherry chums. So pretty good haul, I think. God, it's hot today. Going to the beach tomorrow to see Ebbs. It's supposed to be like 30 degrees and like sunny, which is very exciting. So let me talk you through what's happening here so I can get my head around it as well. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, look, we got rid of the couch. Okay, so this stuff, op shop, linen for the van, shoebox that needs to be packed, and that's Lachlan's books that are packed, Archie, curbside, going to Mum and Dad's storage, op shop, got to sort out some of that stuff, Olivia's stuff, kitchen stuff, op shop, Sam's stuff, probably rubbish. This can go in here. That's sort of all ready to go, those 3 boxes. And then some of those games are going in the van. Some of that is just going to be dumped. It's going to my brother's house. And then up here, that's going to my brother's house. That basket will probably just get chucked. It's so cute. Maybe we'll take it in the van as a shoe basket. Op shop shoes. I've got to go do the linen. That's what these are. I can do that this morning. That needs to be kind of repacked. That's all the stuff from Depot I'm selling, so that'll be gone. These drawers I need to pack up. Rubbish. That's kind of all going in the van. Trying to sell this. And then the bed. Really. Whatever I don't sell is going on the curb. So, right, so I'll pack my clothes. Maybe I'll pack my clothes, the linen. Oh, and then that's dirty laundry. This box is gonna go to Mum and Dad's storage, which they don't know yet, but it is. It's just all my uni textbooks. Oh, sorry guys, didn't get rid of that. And stuffed toys that I don't need. Oh, look at your nose. Guilty. You've been under the house. You have a cobweb on your ear and so much mud on your nose. Yuck. Awesome. Good morning. Rise and shine. Hey guys, it is Wednesday now. Yesterday was Tuesday the 5th, so Melbourne Cup. So I worked like a dog. No, I worked yesterday, a bit hectic, not too bad actually. But yeah, so now it's Thursday and it's 5:30. I'm on my way to Cooley to see Schmebs. We are on the way to see Bestie. So that's awesome. It's a bit gloomy here, but the weather said it was supposed to be really sunny down in Burleigh and stuff. So going for a little adventure. I'm gonna be down there by like 8:30 their time, because Cooley's just over the border, so it hurt my brain to figure out what time I have to leave to get there, to be there at 8:30, and I've left too early, but that's fine because I need a little snack, a little stop for a little snack on my way. I've got the cutesiest little outfit on. I've got this shirt from Gander, and I've got my new, oops, oh whoopsie, sorry, I need to get a little grippy feet for you, a little grippy mat or something. And I've got my little glass and pink stripy shorts that I got the other day. I'll show you. And I feel really cute. When I bought these shorts, this was the shirt I pictured wearing them with, like this sort of outfit, like to the beach or like chopping around, like doing little errands, but like still looking really cute. Lachlan did say when I showed him these shorts, he was like, "Are those pajama shorts?" And I was like, "No sir, they're not." And I said I was going to get the blue stripe ones, but they were giving pajama shorts a little bit too much. But everyone wears them now, so whatever. And like the long ones do give pajama shorts, that's why I didn't get them. But the short ones are so cute. So yeah, probably I reckon stay. Oh, if the weather's good, I might, because Ebony's got to go. She's got a flight to catch. She's going to Newcastle, I think. I want to say to Newcastle for a few days to see her like extended family. So she's got to leave by like just after midday or whatever. So I might stay at the beach for a little bit longer, or I may just come home and like do my things if it's sunny enough. It depends what the weather's doing. So yeah, great day. I'm not working at all, obviously. And I had a coffee. I made myself a little caramel iced latte. Delish. Anyway, gonna listen to my podcast, maybe some music. Hopefully the sky gets better. Can you see that it's grey? Anyway, okay. Stay tuned. Just gotta show you that I'm actually doing something in my life. So it's working. What? I gotta show everyone that I'm doing something in my life. That's really pretty colour.
Yeah, no.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're just trying to take a selfie.
Not really.
Myself.
Do you like this one?
Very cute. Kind of like awesome. Oh my god. God, I didn't think that could happen.
Wait, I want to put my sunglasses on.
Okay.
And maybe my hat on. No, hat on. Hat off on.
On.
On?
Wait, let me see. I think that's
Hat on.
yeah, huh? This looks cute. It looks good with that necklace too.
Yeah, I really like the place burning.
Yeah. And your hair's wavy too.
Yes.
Whatever.
Ready?
Okay.
You do it again from your side.
Okay.
Sure.
Were those good guys? Look at them. How good's the sun? Awesome, actually. Don't mind me, just... Whoa. Hey guys, I just got back from the beach. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm a bit sunburned. Oh, I'm a lot sunburned. I can feel it on the bottom of my legs. But I had such a good day. Oh my goodness. Give me a cold shower. The water was so nice. Went to Talabudra for a swim as well.